Hello everyone, welcome to the Gourmet Khana. We are back with a recipe that is extremely popular, especially during the fasting season, presenting Sabudana Khichdi. This is a simple yet extremely flavorful dish, usually flavored with peanuts, green chilies, cumin and curry leaves. So grab your aprons and let's get cooking. So let's start by soaking the sabudana. Add about 1 cup of sabudana to a bowl and wash it well so all the starch is removed. Wash 6 to 7 times or until the water runs clear. As you can see, the water is pretty clear now, which indicates we are ready for the next step. Let's soak the sabudana now. I am transferring the sabudana to an open plate as I like to use an open container, but you can continue using the same container you used for rinsing. Add enough water so the sabudana is just about submerged in the water. I used about half a cup of water in total. Let the sabudana soak for at least 4 to 6 hours or overnight. The soaking time generally depends on the quality of the sabudana. While the sabudana is left for soaking, you can dry roast some peanuts. Add about half a cup of peanuts to a pan and dry roast it. Then grind it to a coarse powder and save it for later use. So my sabudana has been soaking for about 6 hours now and looks like it is ready for the next step. As you can see, the water is almost completely absorbed by the sabudana pearls. You can also check if your sabudana is soaked well by pressing a pearl or two with your fingers. You should be able to mash it easily. Once the sabudana is ready, we will add salt, coarsely ground peanuts and cilantro and mix everything well. Let's move on to the final step now. Heat oil in a pan on medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add cumin seeds, curry leaves and green chilies. Let them splutter. At this time, transfer the sabudana to the pan and keep tossing. Add a teaspoon of sugar and mix well. The sugar helps balance the flavors. Cover and cook for 3 to 5 minutes on medium-low heat. Then take off the lid and add a teaspoon of lemon juice. This is an optional step. Mix until well combined and garnish with additional cilantro. And there you have a perfectly cooked Sabudana Khichdi. You can also add multiple variations to this khichdi like adding potatoes, tomatoes, etc. Do give it a try and keep following us for many such recipes. Thanks for watching.